reproduction chapter has been completed at your college or no?
Completed.
Okay, fine. So let me brush up some concepts. Then we will proceed with the multiple choice questions on human reproduction. Just a minute. Fine. So students, in human reproduction, we are going to deal with the gametogenesis part, and then first we will study the male reproductive system, female reproductive system, then how gametes are formed in male as well as female, then fertilization events, pre-fertilization ಅಂದ್ರೆ fertilization ಗಿಂತ ಮುಂದೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನೇನ್ events ಆಗ್ತವೆ, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ post fertilization events, fertilization ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನೇನ್ events ಆಗ್ತವೆ. So that all we will discuss in detail in human reproduction. So as this chapter is already completed at your college, I am just going to brush up some concepts, then we will move to multiple choice questions. So ಈ concept na overview anta ನೋಡಿದಾಗ, the first one is gametogenesis. Gametogenesis means what? Gametes. Gametes andre reproductive cells, or we can call sex cells. So the gametes genesis means formation. Formation of gametes or formation of reproductive cells is called as gametogenesis. Then when we come to insemination, what do you mean by insemination? It is transfer of sperms into the female genital tract. That process, that is transferring of sperms into a female genital, into a female reproductive tract, is called as insemination. Next we have fertilization. Fusion of male gamete with the female gamete leading to the formation of zygote. Andre male gamete to female gamete to fuse agi ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ, zygote ಅನ್ನ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ. ಈ process ಗೆ fertilization ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. Next one is implantation. So ಈಗ zygote ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, zygote will undergo continuous cell division. Once it undergo continuous cell division, it forms a embryo ಆಗತ್ತೆ. So for that embryo, the nourishment should be given, the nutrients should be given, the care should be given. That all will happen when that embryo will be situated at a fixed position in our body. So the process ge implantation anta heltare. What is implantation? Embedding of blastocyst into the uterine wall. Blastocyst andre the embryal stage adu. Embryonic stage adu ಒಂದು blastocyst anta, which you will learn during post fertilization event ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ. Next we have gestation. Gestation means embryonic development inside a female reproductive system, inside a female. So that is called as gestation. So humans ಅಲ್ಲಿ gestation period ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? 9 months, 9 ತಿಂಗಳು ಅಥವಾ 281 days we can say. Next is parturition. Parturition means giving birth to the child. So process of giving birth, where our uterine muscles will contract and then relax, will be stretched to give birth to a child. So our process we will call it as parturition. Next we have lactation. Lactation annu kuda ee reproductive system ge include ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Lactation ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? The nourishment of infant with the breast milk. So we all mammals ಅನ್ನೋ ಇದು ಏನಿದೆ, ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ the main characteristic feature is possessing of mammary glands. That is, what is mammary gland? These are the glands meant for the lactation for the baby or for the offspring once it comes out of the mother's womb. So the breast milk, okay, lactation, nourishment of the infant with the breast milk is termed as lactation. So this is an overview of this chapter. Now first we are going to learn the male reproductive system. Male reproductive system ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನಿರುತ್ತೆ? Like when we see outward, that is the parts, the male reproductive system will be consisting of paired testes, accessory ducts, accessory glands, external genitalia. External genitalia ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಯಾವ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮೇಲಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಜನೈಟೇಲಿಯಾ. ಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಸ್, ಎರಡು ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಗಳಿರ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಅ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆರ್ ಅ sac like structure which is called scrotum. So in the diagram guys, you can see here, this is a testis, what you are seeing, where you are seeing my laser mark, just a minute. Yeah, so this is a testis. You can see a testis is covered or protected by a bag like structure which is called scrotum. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ scrotum ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Scrotum ಒಳಗಡೆ ಯಾಕೆ testis ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, scrotum provides or maintains the temperature of a testis. So testis ಕೆಲಸ ಏನು? It produces sperms and the hormone that is male hormone it produces. Okay na? So to produce sperms and hormone, the temperature of the testis should be less than the body temperature. So ನಮ್ಮ body temperature ಕಿಂತ testis body temperature ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. Then only testis can produce the sperms. To maintain that temperature, to maintain lower temperature for the testis to produce sperms, scrotum will be there which surrounds the testis. Next we have accessory ducts anta. Accessory anta andre enu? Which helps anta. Okay na? Ducts andre enu? Ducts are the parts, neat kelskoli, ducts are the parts which are involved in transferring and storing. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಕೆಲಸ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಒಂದು ಅದು ಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ, ಒಂದು ಅದು ಏನನ್ನಾದ್ರೂ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಏನನ್ನಾದ್ರೂ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ accessory ducts of male reproductive system ಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ, we have 4 accessory ducts here: retetestis, vasa efferentia, epididymis, vasa deferens. When we come to the accessory glands ಅಂದ್ರೆ the glands which will help for male reproductive system. So again, it includes 3 glands. First one is seminal vesicle, next one is prostate gland, third one is pair of Cowper's gland. Seminal vesicle, prostate, pair of Cowper's gland. Now last one is external genitalia ಅಥವಾ external reproductive part ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ, male ಅಲ್ಲಿ it is penis. Okay, this is a overview of the male reproductive system. Let us proceed further. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಗೊನಾಡ್. ಅದ್ರ ಕೆಲಸ ಏನು? ಟು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸರೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಟಮ್. ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಟಮ್ ಕೆಲಸ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ 4 to 5 centimeter in length and 2 to 3 centimeter in width. Next, so when we come to the anatomy of a testis, anatomy ಅಂದ್ರೆ internal structure of a testis anta bandaga, the outer layer of a testis is called as tunica vaginalis. This one, the outer layer which is continuous alva, so this is a tunica vaginalis. ಎರಡನೇ layer ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, tunica albuginea anta. So this second layer is there, no, it is not continuous. ಅದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದೇ layer ಇರಲ್ಲ. So it is divided into certain partitions. Here you can see it is divided into certain partition. ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಷನ್ ಗೆ ಸೆಪ್ಟೆ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಸೆಪ್ಟೆ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ನೋ, ಸೆಪ್ಟೆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆರ್ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ತರ, ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ನೋ, ವೈಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎಸ್ ಲೋಬ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್. ಲೋಬ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ದ ಮೇಲ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ 250 lobules. Inside the lobule ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? highly coiled tubules will be there. Tube like structures will be there which are termed as seminiferous tubules ಅಂತ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, each lobule has 1 to 3 microscopic, these will be microscopic convoluted seminiferous tubules. Convoluted ಅಂದ್ರೆ highly coiled seminiferous tubules. This is regarding the internal structure of testis. Now let us proceed with the questions. Be ready with your chat box, all of you. Just a minute. Okay, so see here, the first question goes like this. Yeah, the first question. Select the correct sequence for transport of sperm cells in male reproductive system. Male reproductive system ಅಲ್ಲಿ sperm transport ಹೇಗಾಗತ್ತೆ? Option A, testis in the epididymis, epididymis in the vasa differentia, vasa differentia to, sorry, yeah, vasa efferentia, vasa efferentia to vasa difference, vasa difference in the ejaculatory duct, ejaculatory duct in the inguinal canal. Option B, testis, epididymis, vasa efferentia, rete testis, inguinal canal, urethra. Option C, seminiferous tubule, rete testis, vasa efferentia, epididymis, vasa difference, ejaculatory duct, urethra, urethral meatus. Option D, seminiferous tubules, vasa efferentia, epididymis, inguinal canal, urethra. What is your answer, guys? Yes, you can send me the answer in the chat box. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಒಬ್ರು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳೋ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ನೋ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Be fast. Okay, government PU college Tubigere answered as option D. Fine. So when you see, option D, when you selected option D, alva, just a minute, yeah. So it is seminiferous tubule, vasa differentia, epididymis, inguinal canal, and urethra. So inguinal canal does not have any part here in the transport of sperms. So the right answer is here, seminiferous tubules, rete testis, vasa efferentia, epididymis, vasa difference, ejaculatory duct, urethra, and urethral meatus. So option C is a right answer. Option C is a right answer. Let me explain you that. Idu accessory ducts alli baratte. See, this is an accessory ducts. Here you can see that this is a rete testis. Rete testis, vasa efferentia, epididymis, vasa difference. So seminiferous tubules in the idu seminiferous tubules alva. So illi sperms produce ಆಗ್ತವೆ. From the seminiferous tubules, the sperms will go to the rete testis, right? So from the rete testis will open into the vessels like structure which are called vasa efferentia. Vasa efferentia. Okay, vasa efferentia dinda the sperms will go to epididymis. Vasa efferentia dinda epididymis ge hogtave. In epididymis, the sperms are stored until they mature. Sperms mature agovargu, they will be stored in a epididymis. Once the sperms will get matured, they will transfer to vasa difference. So illivargu aitu. Vasa difference inda, from the vasa difference, it will go to ejaculatory duct, and then it will get secretion from other male accessory glands. Then ejaculatory duct transports sperms into urethra. Urethra opens into external opening of a penis, which is called as urethral meatus. So seminiferous tubule, rete testis, then vasa efferentia, epididymis, epididymis ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ vasa difference, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ejaculatory duct, then urethra, urethral meatus. So this is a right answer. Option C is a right answer. Let us proceed to the next question. It will be good if you switch on your videos so that we will get to know you guys are responding and seeing the question. Otherwise, it will be blind like. I feel that only I am talking to myself. I am teaching to myself, Anta. So please make sure to switch on your camera. Second question. Which of the following depicts the correct pathway of transport of sperms? Okay, again the question is repeated, so let us neglect that. Then third question, The shared terminal duct of the reproductive and urinary system in the human male is. Human male ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು part ಇದೆ which is common for excretory system also and for reproductive system also. Which is that part? Urethra, ureter, vasa deferens, vasa efferentia. Who is going to answer this? The shared terminal duct of reproductive and urinary system in the human male is. Yes. Government PU College, Tubagere answered as option C. So the right answer is here option A, urethra. Okay, next. Fine. Next question. The Leydig cells as found in the human body are the secretory source of. Leydig cells ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮೇಲ್ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೇವೆ ಹೌಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿಕ್ರೀಟ್ ವಾಟ್, ಏನನ್ನ ಸಿಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ ಈ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಪ್ರೊಜೆಸ್ಟಿರಾನ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಟೆಸ್ಟೈನಲ್ ಮ್ಯೂಕಸ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಗ್ಲೂಕಗಾನ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಆಂಡ್ರೋಜನ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಗೈಸ್? ಪ್ರೊಜೆಸ್ಟಿರಾನ್, intestinal mucus, glucagon, androgens. Yes, who is going to answer this? Okay. I got a message from an account Raghavendra M. Please let me know, are you a individual student or are you attending from a respective college? Please let me know your college name if so. So the answer they have given is option B, intestinal juice. No, that is a wrong answer. So the right answer is androgens or testosterone. Androgens or testosterone. Okay. Just a minute. This chapter is already completed and you should be very quick to answer, Alva, and you should answer correctly also. You guys are not responding, not switching on your cameras. Okay, so here when we discuss regarding male reproductive system, anatomy of a testis anna ನಾವು discuss ಮಾಡುವಾಗ, the tubules are lined by germinal epithelial cells. ಈ seminiferous tubules ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, so these are lined by germinal epithelial cells. ಆ layer ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವುದು? germinal epithelium layer ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Then when we go inside, when we study inside of it, it consists of two types of cells. ಎರಡು ತರಹದ cells ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಒಂದು spermatogenic cells ಅಂತ, or we can say sperm mother cell. The other is Sertoli cell. Other is Sertoli cell. Okay, so this spermatogenic cell athwa sperm mother cell, it will undergo spermatogenesis to produce sperms. This Sertoli cell is there, no? This is called as nurse cell. Idakke nurse cell anta heltare and sustentacular cells antanu kuda heltare. What is its function? It provides nourishment for the developing spermatogenic cell. Aden ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? Developing spermatogenic cells ge nutrition anna, nourishment anna ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. Next, in this diagram you can see guys, ಇದೇನಿದು? ಇದು ಒಂದು seminiferous tubule, ಇದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು seminiferous tubule. In between these seminiferous tubule, you can see a purple color dots in between, right? These purple color dots are there, no? These are called as Leydig cells ಅಂತ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ Leydig cells ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Otherwise these are also called as interstitial cells. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ these are found between seminiferous tubule. Inter ಅಂದ್ರೆ between ಅಂತ. So the seminiferous tubule, ಎರಡು seminiferous tubules ಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ you can find these cells which are named as Leydig cells. So Leydig cells ಕೆಲಸ ಏನು? It secrete male sex hormone which is called testosterone. Leydig cell produces male hormone, okay, which is called as ಟೆಸ್ಟೋಸ್ಟಿರಾನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಂಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅಂತಾನೂ ಕೂಡ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ the concept of that question. Next, fifth question goes like this. If for some reason the vasa efferentia in the human reproductive system gets blocked, the gametes will not be transported from vasa efferentia alliruva male reproductive system alliruva vasa efferentia block ಆದ್ರೆ sperms ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. The gametes will not be transported from which part to which part, they ask. Option A, testis to epididymis. Option B, epididymis to vasa deferens. Option C, ovary to uterus. Option D, vagina to uterus. What is your response? Just a minute. If for some reason the vasa efferentia in the human reproductive system gets blocked, the gamete will not be transported from testis to epididymis, epididymis to vasa deferens, ovary to uterus, vagina to uterus. Yes, guys, what is your response? Yes. Any option? Fifth question amma ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮೇಲೆ? 2 ಸಲ ಓದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? Fifth question, I read it twice. If for some reason the vasa efferentia in the human reproductive system gets blocked, the gamete will not be transported from anta ide. Fifth question ide ನೋಡಿ, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆನಾ? What is your response, guys? Huh? C. Option C. Ovary to uterus. Option? Guys, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? I mean, whether you guys came now to the session, because just now I explained regarding this process. Ovary to uterus ಅನ್ನೋ C option, D vagina to uterus ಅನ್ನೋ D option, ಎರಡೂ ಕೂಡ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಗೆ ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ವ್ಯಾಸಾ ಎಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಾ ಇನ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ವ್ಯಾಸಾ ಎಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಾ ಅನ್ನೋ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಮೇಲ್ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಹೌ ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಸ್ ಸಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಂದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಲಾಗಿದೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಎರಡು ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಂದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Just now 5 minutes before I explained this process to you. So now you are saying C and D. What is your I mean whether all of you are present in the session or no? That's why I said to switch on the camera. It will be helpful for us. Fine. So what is your answer? The right answer is here, testis to epididymis. So I will repeat it again. Please do concentrate and focus on it. See here, accessory ducts ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಸಾ ಎಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಾ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಆದ್ರೆ, ಡೈಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ವ್ಯಾಸಾ ಎಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಾ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಆದ್ರೆ the sperms will not go from retate testis to epididymis. ರಿಟೇಟ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಇಂದ ಎಪಿಡಿಡೈಮಸ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವ್ಯಾಸ ಎಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯಾ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಅ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೂ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್. ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗ್ದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೆಗ್ಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಡ. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್. Next question. The testes in humans are situated outside the abdominal cavity inside a pouch called scrotum. The purpose served is for. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಅಬ್ಡೋಮಿನಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾವಿಟಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅ ಪೌಚ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ as scrotum. ಸೊ ಆ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಟಮ್ ನ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಏನು? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಟಮ್? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, maintaining scrotal temperature lower than the internal temperature. Option B, escaping any possible compression by the visceral organs. Option C, providing more space for the growth of epididymis. Option D, providing a secondary sexual feature for exhibiting the male sex. What is your response for sixth question? What is the purpose of scrotum? Indirectly ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, the function of scrotum ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So what is your answer, guys? Great, right answer and very quick response too. Option A, maintaining the scrotal temperature lower than the internal body temperature is a right answer, and it is correctly and quickly answered by Government PU College Tubagere. Good going. Next question goes like this. Sertoli cells are found in. Sertoli cells ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸಿಕ್ತವೆ? Ovaries and secrete progesterone, adrenal cortex and secrete adrenaline, seminiferous tubules and provide nutrition to germ cells. D, pancreas and secrete cholecystokinin. The question is, where do you find Sertoli cells? Sertoli cells ಅನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸಿಕ್ತವೆ ಅಂತ? What is your response? Okay, I got a first message from Government PU College Tubagere. Very good, great going, and Raghavendra Yam. Okay, option C, seminiferous tubule and provide nutrition to the germ cell is a right answer. Good going, good. Eighth question goes like this. Vasa efferentia are the ductules leading from. Vasa efferentia ductules ಏನಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Option A, testicular lobules to retate testis. Option B, retate testis in the vasa deferens. Option C, vasa deferens in the epididymis. Option D, epididymis to urethra. Vasa efferentia ಅನ್ನೋ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಡಕ್ಟ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಮೇಲ್ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Very good. I got first quick response from Raghavendra Yam. So the option they selected is epididymis to urethra. They asked vasa efferentia. They did not ask vasa deferens. Okay, good. So Government PU College Tubagere answered it correctly. Option B, retate testis to vasa deferens is a right answer. Retate testis to vasa deferens. Good going. Next question, guys. Seminal plasma anta irutte alva. So the seminal plasma in human males will be rich in fructose and calcium, glucose and calcium, DNA and testosterone, ribose and potassium. Seminal plasma in human males will be rich in. What is your answer? I will explain this concept. Yes, good. Tubagere College answered it as option A, and it is a right answer. Very good. So let me explain you the concept first. Yeah. So here you can see. Fine. Here you can see the semen. What is semen actually? It is a mixture of spermatozoa in a seminal plasma. Seminal plasma andre, it is a fluid secreted by these accessory glands like seminal vesicle inda, prostate gland inda, Cowper's gland inda. So ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇಂದಾನು ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ಸಿಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಕೂಡಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಏನಂತ ಕರೆಸ್ಕೋತವೆ, ಸಮೈನಲ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಮಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದ್ರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಕ್ರೀಷನ್ ಸೇರಿ. ಸೊ ಸಮೈನಲ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರುಕ್ಟೋಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ along with certain enzymes will be there. That seminal plasma along with the sperms, ಆ seminal plasmaದಲ್ಲಿ sperms introduce ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ semen ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. So be sure regarding the difference between the seminal plasma as well as this one semen. Okay, let us proceed to the next question here. 10th question ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ, ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Secretions from which one of the following are rich in fructose, calcium and some enzymes? ಕೆಳಗಿನವುದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಸಿಕ್ರೀಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ, ಫ್ರುಕ್ಟೋಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎನ್ಸೈಮ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತವೆ? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಮೇಲ್ ಅಸೆಸರಿ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಲಿವರ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಪ್ಯಾಂಕ್ರಿಯಾಸ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ salivary glands. What is your response? Okay, good. Option A, very good. Option A, male accessory glands like seminal vesicle, prostate gland, Cowper's gland is the right answer. Good going. 11th question. Yeah. Seminal plasma, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೀಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So let me skip that. Okay. Diagram is not here. 13th question goes like this. Male hormone is produced in the testis by the cells of, male hormone testosterone hormone ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಆಂಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನು ಯಾವ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಸರ್ಟೋಲಿ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಎಪಿಥೀಲಿಯಲ್ ಸೆಲ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟೋಸೈಟ್ಸ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಲೇಡಿಕ್ ಸೆಲ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಗೈಸ್? Testosterone or male hormone or androgen will be produced by male hormone or testosterone is produced in the testis by which cell? Sertoli cell, epithelial cell, spermatocytes, Leydig cell.
D, ma'am.
Option D, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Option D, Leydig cell or interstitial cells antanu karitare. That is a right answer. 14th question goes like this, girls. Location and secretion of Leydig cells are. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು? ಸಿಕ್ರೀಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ರು, ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಈಗೇನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಈ ಲೇಡಿಕ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್, ಲಿವರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರತ್ತೆ, ಕೊಲೆಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ. ಓವರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿರತ್ತೆ, ಈಸ್ಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ. ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರತ್ತೆ, ಟೆಸ್ಟೋಸ್ಟಿರಾನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಯಾಂಕ್ರಿಯಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರತ್ತೆ, ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಗಾನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್? Leydig cells. Where do you find Leydig cells? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸಿಕ್ತವೆ Leydig cells ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
C, ma'am.
Very good. Option C, testis. It is found in testis, that is in between seminiferous tubule, and it produces testosterone. That is a right answer. Next question. One ನಿಮಿಷ. Okay. So this is about the male reproductive system. Regarding the female reproductive system and the questions, I'm going to discuss in another session because I have a urgent session at 2:55. So I have to log out now. Let me meet you all in the next session. Until that, take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.